greatest triumphs in life often come right after the hardest falls. Imagine turning your deepest setbacks into the driving force behind your greatest success. What if your current struggles are the exact opportunities needed to propel you forward? Today we'll explore Stoic wisdom and discover how you can transform any defeat into the foundation of the greatest comeback of your life. Whether you're struggling to get back on your feet after a tough period, or simply looking to break free from the chains of mediocrity, this video is for you. Stoicism teaches us that our response to adversity defines our path forward. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to transform your setbacks into your most significant victories, guided by the practical wisdom of Stoic philosophy. Let's start by acknowledging where you are right now. If you're here, chances are you're tired of being stuck, tired of feeling like life is happening to you rather than you taking control. Maybe you've been knocked down by life, or perhaps you're just sick of being average. The good news is that this feeling is the catalyst for change. The Stoics teach us that challenges are not meant to be avoided. They're opportunities for growth. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, once said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." In other words, the struggles you're facing are not roadblocks. They are the path to your comeback. Embrace the 2.0 version of yourself. It's time to reinvent yourself. The 2.0 version of you is waiting to emerge, but it requires commitment. Stoicism is all about continuous self-improvement. There's always a better version of you that you can unlock, no matter where you are in life. This version of yourself is resilient, focused, and relentless in pursuing your goals. It's the part of you that feels the fear, but moves forward anyway. The part that doesn't give up at the first sign of difficulty. Embracing this version means letting go of old habits and excuses and committing fully to your goals. It's not about being perfect. It's about making progress, no matter how small, every single day. Before we dive in further, if you're enjoying this video and want more life-changing tips, remember to hit that subscribe button. By joining our community, you'll get weekly videos packed with practical strategies to help you become the best version of yourself. The power of a mindset shift. One of the most powerful tools in the Stoics toolkit is the practice of negative visualization. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's incredibly effective. Negative visualization is the act of imagining the worst-case scenario, not to dwell on it, but to prepare your mind for it. When you're mentally prepared for the worst, you're less likely to be paralyzed by fear. This practice strengthens your resolve to face challenges head-on. Now ask yourself, what's worse, reaching the end of your life with a heart full of regrets, or enduring the temporary discomfort of hard work that leads to a sense of accomplishment? The Stoics would tell you that the pain of regret is far greater than the pain of discipline. Relentless pursuit of goals. Now that you've embraced the 2.0 version of yourself and shifted your mindset, it's time to get to work. Stoic philosophy is rooted in discipline and action. The Stoics didn't just sit around debating their goals. They attacked them with unwavering focus. Procrastination has no place in the life of someone determined to make a comeback. You have to approach your goals with the same energy and determination as a warrior on a mission. Think of yourself as a soldier in the battle for your own life. Each task, no matter how small, is a step toward victory. The Stoics believe that success comes from consistent action, from doing what needs to be done, even when it's hard, even when it's uncomfortable. Building a strong routine. One of the most practical ways to ensure your comeback is to establish a strong, consistent routine. The Stoics understood the power of habits and routines. Seneca, another great Stoic philosopher, said, "We are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more in imagination than in reality." One way to overcome this fear and build confidence is by creating a routine that sets you up for success every day. Start your day with purpose. Wake up early and tackle the hardest task first. This is what some call eating the frog. When you conquer the most challenging task first thing in the morning, you set the tone for the rest of the day. You'll find that this momentum builds throughout the day, carrying you through with confidence and energy. The role of discipline in a comeback. Discipline is the cornerstone of any great comeback. Epictetus, one of the most famous Stoic philosophers, taught that no man is free who is not master of himself. This means that if you want to be truly free, to live the life you desire, You must have the discipline to control your actions, your thoughts, and your habits. Discipline is what separates those who succeed from those who simply dream. It's not enough to set goals. You must follow through every single day, even when you don't feel like it. This is where the real work begins. It's about doing what needs to be done, not just when it's convenient, but consistently, day in and day out. How you do anything is how you do everything, and mastering discipline in small tasks will lead to success in larger goals. Evolving your mindset. To complete your comeback, you must also evolve your mindset. Stoicism teaches us to walk through life with quiet confidence. This doesn't mean being arrogant or boastful, but rather having a deep, unshakable belief in your own abilities. The Stoics believe that we are all capable of greatness, but it starts with believing in ourselves. This confidence isn't about thinking you're better than others. It's about knowing your worth and understanding that you have the power to achieve your goals. To evolve your mindset, start taking calculated risks that align with your long-term vision. Don't shy away from challenges that push you out of your comfort zone. This is where real growth happens. Remember, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Using pain as fuel. Pain is an inevitable part of life, but the Stoics saw it as a tool for growth. They believed that suffering could be transformed into strength, that every obstacle could be used as a stepping stone to success. Marcus Aurelius advised us to welcome every obstacle because it is an opportunity for growth. Whatever pain or hardship you've experienced, use it as fuel for your comeback. Let it drive you, not hold you back. This is your chance to take control of your narrative and turn your pain into purpose. The Stoics teach us that the obstacle is the way. The very thing that seems to be holding you back is actually the key to your greatest comeback. Practical steps for your Stoic comeback. Now let's talk about practical steps for your Stoic comeback. Start with self-reflection and journaling. Write about your values, goals, and daily experiences. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, that align with Stoic principles. Implement daily Stoic practices like morning meditation or evening reflection. To make the greatest comeback of your life, you must embrace the 2.0 version of yourself, attack your goals with relentless discipline, and use every setback as a stepping stone to your success. Remember, the true power to change your life comes from within. You already have everything you need to rise, to overcome, and to succeed. So what will you do today to start your comeback? If this video resonated with you, share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know how you plan to apply these Stoic principles in your life. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Stoic wisdom to guide you on your journey. Your greatest comeback awaits. Are you ready to begin?